Okay, let's quick recap. Mean is the average. Add them all up and divide by how many there are. Median is the middle, as long as they're in order first. Now, mode stands for most. Mode is the most occurring. Or, if you're talking mathematical terms, the one with the highest frequency. But that's a lot harder to remember. It's much easier to say mode and most. So all you have to do to find the mode, I told you these ones would be quick, is look at your numbers here, these numbers, okay, and see which number happens the most. And Kobe's telling me that there's a 3 here and there's a 3 there. Is there any other numbers that happen more than once? No. So that means that our mode is equal to 3. Okay, next. Look at the next one. We have 3 7s and we also have 3 12s. So it's not like the median. You don't, if there's 2 of them, you don't add them together and divide by 2. If there's 2 of them, it's what we call bimodal, which means you need to have both of those numbers. So right underneath, the mode for this one is equal to 7 and 12. You just write both of them in, don't average them. Question C. What's the mode? Do any of the numbers happen 2 or more times? No. So this is what we call no mode. If nothing happens the most, then there is no mode. But you have to write it. You can't leave it blank, otherwise it looks like you haven't answered it. Okay? Question 2, we can also do the mode from a table. Now remember I said most means the highest frequency. F stands for frequency. These ones here, they're your frequencies. These ones here are your scores. So 10 happens twice, 11 happens once, 12 happens 5 times, and 14 happens 3 times. That's what that means. So which one happens the most? The 12, because it has the highest frequency. Okay, so 12 is your mode. From a dot plot, these are lovely and easy because it's just the one that has the biggest column, the biggest stack of dots. So which one has the most dots on it? 2.4. Mode equals 2.4. From a stem and leaf, you might look at things like this and go, oh, there's an 8 there, there's an 8 there. But the first 8 is actually 88, and these 2 8s here are 98. So they have to be in the same row for them to be the same number, okay? So I do I have anything happening more than twice? No, I have 2 zeros there, I have 2 6s there, the 2 8s there, and 2 zeros. So this one actually has 4 modes. The mode is going to be, now I'm not going to put 0 as my first mode, because remember your stem. The stem is the 8, so the first one's going to be 80. The second one, the 6s, that's going to be 86. The 8s in the next row, that's going to be 98. And the zeros down the bottom, what number is that? 100. That's it. That's how you do the mode.